All right, so here's the SEALIGHT LED bulbs. These things are pretty awesome. We put a different model on our buddy Nam's DB8 Integra for the tail of the dragon in our prep video. This one's a different model, the X5 model. So I'm going to show you a little bit about this. They come with extra zip ties for attaching some of the wiring and some double-sided foam tape as well. Additional O-rings for it if you change them and you pinch anything. Your user manuals. And the cool thing about these is they come with a very nice pair of gloves that don't fit my hands, but they fit Mike's because he has very petite hands, and I don't fall into that category. So the nice thing about these is, like our other ones, is they're fully aluminum except for the mounting points, and they run a very high-speed fan in it, and they use a copper heat sink inside that helps disperse the temperature, because the LEDs, they produce a lot of heat, and that's the big issue with them, is that sometimes they run a very big fan. So the idea behind these is that the fan isn't as big and it's all compact. This has the direction for the tab here, so you know which way to plug it in, so you can't get that wrong. And also the length of this equals the same length as the bulb does standard. As you can see right here, that's actually the stock bulb's a little bit longer. So this makes sure that if you have a headlight that's a non-projector, it's still going to reflect properly inside of the headlight. On the projector, this is going to give us a nice straight cutoff line, which the projector already does, but this helps intensify that a little bit more. 6500K, cool white light, and we're getting about 60,000 hours of burn time on these. That's what they're claiming. They've been around for a long time, so I'm probably going to believe them. And on top of that, I think it's 35,000 lumens. So it's a pretty awesome setup, and I'll show you what it takes to actually change the bulbs and what I have on there existing. We got to take a little bit apart to get to the headlights on the NSX, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. So the NSX headlight's pretty neat. It runs a double projector inside of a glass housing. That means we have two different bulbs here, and to get proper access to the back of here, we have to remove the headlight cover. It's not very hard. All you gotta do is pop off these two caps on the side and remove 4 screws, and it comes right out. So we'll show you how that goes. All right, so you see all this here. This is the ballast and igniter for the old HID system, and this runs 2 different ones. I think we're gonna mess with the high beam first, and then we'll deal with this separate. So I got the cap off, and this one's pretty simple. You just give her a little twist. All right, let's give it a test shot.
So this is the low beam and the high beam. Now, on the passenger side, we went ahead and changed out the low beam, but you can take a look at the high beam on the passenger side and compare it to this right here. Man, it looks really good, John.
Yeah, it's definitely much better than the halogen that was there. I definitely like it. So now you can see how nice the headlights fill the road now, and I'll throw the high beams on. Oh yeah.
Oh my
They'll
God.
see me coming.
Wow, I really love these LED headlights. Really brighten up the road here. Look, even the reflector shines so well.
Oh yeah, you can see everything.